Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to disable file paging in Windows 10, but the same tutorial will apply all the way going back to, I believe, the Windows Vista days as well. So basically, virtual memory is another term for paging file, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys are familiar with what memory is. And basically what virtual memory does in a nutshell is it takes the unused hard disk space and it'll turn it into memory, or at least temporary virtual memory. It's definitely not as good as RAM, and unless you're really running a low performance computer, I don't really know who would really need virtual memory so much. I would say getting an extra RAM stick, if applicable, would definitely be a more desirable choice. But kind of getting off subject here, we're going to be showing how to disable the paging file in Windows. So we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to search up System. Should be listed directly above Control Panel. So you want to left click on that. On the left side here, left click on Advanced System Settings. Underneath System Properties and underneath the Advanced tab, you want to left click on the Settings button in the Performance area. Now that we're underneath Performance Options, left click on the Advanced tab. It should be the middle one of the three selections up top. Underneath Virtual Memory, where it says a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM, left click on this Change button right here. If this box is currently checkmarked next to Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, uncheck it. And then left click or select the option next to New Paging File. Left click on the button that says Set. Please know you'll get a warning telling you that if you disable the paging file or set the initial size to less than 200 megabytes and a system error occurs, Windows might not record details that could help identify the problem. Do you want to continue? Since our purpose today is disabling the paging file, we're going to select Yes. And then we're going to select Yes again, or I should have said OK to close out of that other window. And then the last window here, click on OK again. Oh, I lied. We have one more window. We got to click on OK. And then once you're done doing all of that, you can close out of this system window and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.